morning, I'm Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for Tuesday, March 12th. Mr. PHS will be tonight in the auditorium at 6. The cost for admission is $3. Don't miss out on a good show to support post-prom. Wednesday during homeroom, all students who take a Lost River Career Cooperative course will need to be in the gym for pictures. This includes students in classes like fire science, law enforcement, welding, auto tech, engineering, construction, health careers, and info to technology. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answers to paoli@paoli.k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in the drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Tuesday Shoes Day. We will show a picture of shoes and you will tell us whose shoes they are. Here's the shoes. Already thinking about lunch? Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Choir students will be selling candy for half price Wednesday and Friday this week during all 3 lunches. All candy will be $1. On Saturday, the Orange County Humane Society will be visiting the Paoli Public Library in an event to promote pet adoption. The library is also collecting items for the shelter. If you would like to donate items for the Humane Society, bring them to Miss Nichols' room 115. Any high school boy and junior high girl and boys who are interested in golf needs to sign up in the office. And now to Ian Wilder with her weather report.
Today, there is only a slight chance of rain early in your morning, but as we head into the night and into tomorrow morning, the higher chances of rain could hit, and as we see some showers yet tomorrow. For your weather today, we have a high of 51 and a low of 32. Heading through your week on Wednesday, we have a high of 57, a low of 43, and on Thursday, temperatures will start rising. We could hit the 70s as we see into the end of the week with a high of 68 and a low of 59. Back to you.
Congratulations to Riley Manship for winning today's trivia question. The answer was Miss Chase. Stay tuned tomorrow for more trivia. I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.